put the top coat on the angle. Just putting the top coat down either side of the angle. Just get the edge there. Just feathering the edge off. Laying it on, down the edge, feathering the edge.
Take the excess off?
Take the excess, yeah. And ready for the
I'll run the angle tool.
angle tool or butterfly. I'll just show you the butterfly. Yep, it's a butterfly or angle tool. And down either side. Or down, just straight down. And I'll just get a close up of that. So, yeah, that's a nice angle. That's for putting the top coat on the angle. Top of it. Scrape it off a bit.
Any tags?
Any bags, yeah, get rid of. Get rid of the edges.
Pass that angle tool.
Right.
Can you pass the angle tool?
Yep. Yeah, mate. Down with the angle tool. So, it's a finished angle there. Yeah, just scraping this join down. This is top coating a join. It's had 2 coats of base on it, and it's ready for a final top coat, which can be sanded. And ready, we are laying it on. Nice full float of it. Using Gyprock CSR top coat. Right down again. We'll lay it off level. I'm ready to feather the edges now, I think. Down the other edge with a 6-inch scraper. Nice feather job. Back to the final laying off, smoothing off. Okay. Yeah, so that's laying, putting the top coat on a join, the final coat. That'll be ready for sanding. Okay, that's a material we've used, Gyprock Easy Finish Topping Compound. More top coating. The top joint. paper tape in at the ceiling. It's been second coated with gyprock base bond. And the final coat, which will be sanded down after it's dry. The edges, beveling. Do the final layout here. Nice backhand troweling. Nice backhand troweling there. Nail holes. Had 2 coats of gyprock base bond on them. Screw holes. Put on, feather the edges around it.